first step today is to fold your paper in half again. So we're taking it long ways, corner to corner. Line up your edges and press that down really good. And it should look like a book. Next, we're going to keep our book closed, and you're going to get a ruler and a pencil. The ruler helps us make straight lines. So I'm going to line up my ruler here so it's touching the bottom edge here. And I'm going to go up as tall as I want my stems to be of my flower. So something like that would be fine. So I'm holding my ruler down with one hand and writing with the other. So one hand holds, the other hand draws. So this is one stem. I need two lines that are next to each other. I'm going to do that 3 times, so go a total of 6 lines. They can be different heights. You want them pretty close to each other. So that it looks like this. All right, our next step is to cut those lines. So I'm going to take my scissors, line it up with the lines I just drew, and I'm going to cut there. So when I open my book, I'm going to push out at each of those. I can fold it and press it. And this becomes the pop-up stems here. The next thing I need to do is cut where the horizon line is. That's where the land meets the sky. The whole bottom is grass, and the top needs a horizon line. It should be above the stems, and it's gonna be something kind of wavy. So I'm just gonna make a wavy line going across, and then we're gonna cut that wavy line. Next, we're taking our blue paper and we're going to put our green paper on top like this so you can see the grass and the sky. And we need to glue that on. So I'm going to flip this paper over and put glue on everything except the stems. I don't want glue on the stems. Line my folds up and then massage it down. Now our pop-up is ready for our flowers. We need to cut out all of our circles. So I find it easiest to cut the circles separately so they're no longer attached to one another. And then go back in and cut it closer. All right, we're gonna put the 2 things that fly to the side. We're not gonna glue those down yet. So looking at my flowers here, I'm gonna pick my 3 favorite to go on my stems. You're gonna put glue on the stem. And then you're going to pick your flower and put it on the stem. So when this pops up, your flowers pop up. Okay, we're gonna use our last 3 flowers, and you can put them at the front on the ground, or you can put them in the background, but they need to be touching the green. Finally, we're gonna make the things that fly pop up as well. You're gonna get some strips of paper that are about this big. We're gonna fold one way and then the other way. Flip, fold, press, flip, fold, press. Okay, we've learned that before. I'm gonna put glue on one side and glue one of my things that can fly on there. Then I'm gonna go to the other side and put glue. And I'm gonna glue that somewhere in the sky.